I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag.
To the Asian store and she's driving.
Yeah, I'm not driving.
Obviously. And I'm using this steak we got from Shein. We're at the stoplight and we're gonna come back whenever we're at the Asian store. Yeah? We're stopped at the middle of some random church because somebody had to connect their phone. We're not playing Marshall's music.
Excuse me, it's not.
I'm gonna have to record like this because of the charger.
Doors need shutting, lights need cutting, lips need locking, boots need knocking, and birds need bees, and us needs whiskey. Boys like me need girls like you, kids fishing in the dark needs nigga.
The cameraman is kind of sick. Those are nasty. Our favorite drink is that one.
Apple milk. Necessary.
Like it's just have it on the back. That way it won't really hear you, but hear you.
What's on gay? You get that?
Bitsy. Have it. You need to. Fine, on your thing.
Isla.
Just have it on it. So it can hear you. It just hears your voice.
Isla. Isla.
Why?
Nga siya nga.
Why do you hate it? There we go. That's what. Boba. That's boba. I took it off the tripod because people were staring, so didn't want to get kicked out because we're filming. So we can make it like any drink, just put that in. Wow. You're so smart. No, it's not, is it? This. And this. We're at Ollie's bargain outlet, good stuff, cheap. Why did we stop here?
Magandang check.
Yeah, we're gonna go in there and see what we can get. Check it out. Dr. Pepper. Am I not recording there because we got looks when we were recording at the Asian store? It's parking. You need to back up a little bit. I'm gonna get crashed or run over. Stop! Oh my gosh! Go back. Stop. It's perfect. Perfect. Hey! Stop! You're good. She was driving with the door open, Dada. Should get her. We're gonna see what we can get at Ollie's. Look at her makeup, guys.
Hey, stop.
I did her makeup. It was so fire.
Can you stop coughing?
Peace out.
Peace out.
Oh, we never have that. We never get that.
It smells good.
Somewhere, yeah. Okay, so here's what we got so far. Straightener, because I needed it. Wait.
You don't need it.
These 2 soaps. Not 2, but 3. She's a hogger. And then we got pork beef. She's always sniffing stuff.
Smells good.
How cute. I'm gonna cover their license quite, but in without me. Be safe, be kind to her world. Some birds in the air. You see them? Yes. Y'all see that? Wow.